The 2009 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, CD changer, stability control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, air conditioning, four-wheel ABS, driver airbag, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.